Everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer that we have in stock. This one is a 2019 6x12 off-road trailer in a matte black blackout package. This one does come with the diamond plate rock guard on the corners. You also have extra tall diamond plate rock guard here on the front for good rock protection. This one is stock number 14750, and we'll go through and show you guys some more features here. You do have an extended triple tube tongue with a generator platform, side swivel jack, and a removable heavy duty front coupler, which is a great option. Side door does come with a window, gutter, and the double lock protection there. You've got the RV lock and cam bar. Now these are tinted windows. They are lockable. They do have screens in them, so lots of good function there for you guys as well. This one does have a power package. You've got an exterior GFI outlet located right here next to the side door. 3,500-pound torsion axle. You also have a black diamond plate fender, 32-inch mudterrain tire, black American racing wheels, and this one does have a brake on the axle as well. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. This one does have 4 exterior strip lights, so you've got a strip light on every side of the trailer. You've got one here on this side, one on the other side, and then the front and the rear. Now the rear also has 2 LED spotlights, so you've got lots of lighting options here in the back. Great load light if you need it, some good intense light to be able to see what you guys are doing, or if you just need more of an ambiance light, you've got the strip lights here off the rear as well. Black diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb, kind of ties everything in nicely on the trailer, and then of course all LED exterior lights and running lights. I'm going to give you guys a good shot of this side of the trailer, then we'll go on the interior. Welcome to fall. We literally have leaves falling out of the trees. Now on the inside, we do have insulated walls and ceiling with this unit. You also have a rear ramp door, so you guys can load ATVs, UTVs, dirt bikes, whatever you guys want to use this trailer for. And we also have done the nudo floor with Drymax. Nudo is this great performance floor that you guys see on top, and then underneath this is Drymax. Drymax is a water resistant product, does not absorb the water or the moisture. So much better to have that underneath on the underside of the trailer as opposed to a plywood. 6'6" interior height with this unit, again insulated walls and ceiling, and then white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This one has awesome interior lights too. You've got 6 LED pucks, so 3 on each side. Now these are going to be 12 volts, so they're going to run off of the power from your vehicle, and they also have individual toggle switches on them, which is nice because if you guys don't want all these on at once, you can turn them off and kind of control those. Now this is also equipped with power, so you've got 30 amp service here, which is this box. You guys can take this nice big long cord, you pop it right through the corner cord port into your generator. That's going to power up the trailer. That's going to power up your 4 interior outlets. So you've got those here in the front and one more here towards the back. That's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. You guys can see. Now we tested one of these off-road trailers out and used this heat strip. We were down to about 35 degrees and we were able to keep the trailer around 68 on the inside, or 70 degrees. So these heat strips work really well. Plus you've got the AC unit with them right there. And then that's also going to power up your 2 overhead 4-foot LEDs. These are 120 volt as well. So awesome interior lighting options with this trailer. You guys, like I said, can have a little light or a lot of light. Just kind of depends on what your needs are at the time. Now all your switches to work the interior exterior lights are right here. So that's going to, again, give you guys individual control there as well. And then we've got 4 D-rings in the floor, 2 up front, 2 here in the back, and then 2 sticks of E-track on the floor. So lots of different tie down points, pretty much unlimited floor tie down points in this unit as well. So great price on this trailer. It's at $11,477 plus tax. And as always, we would love to earn your business if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. Now we are the exclusive dealer and home of the off-road trailer. So give us a call. We can definitely help you guys meet your needs, order you a trailer or take a stock unit. And again, you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.